Hi Hyderabad, salam namaste, aloo pade saste. Baigan ke Bata is going to do a take on the top eateries in the city. In this segment, we are going to be covering South Indian authentic veg and non-veg options alongside Deccan Mughlai, which is kind of integral cuisine of the city. The menu is comprised of old and long forgotten cuisines. Some of the cuisines names are like so complicated you'd have problems pronouncing it, but the waiters are there to comfy your rescue. All ingredients are sourced locally and are 100% organic by Ish Alive. Simply South is an authentic fine dine restaurant in Jubilee Hills. It's run by a passionate chef called Chalapati, who's won numerous awards for his culinary indulgences. Even the Queen's office itself from Buckingham sent a recommendation letter to Chalapati. The venue is regarded by many in the city as a non-compromising, unpretentious and authentic South Indian fine dining experience. Dakshin ITC Kakatiya is an amalgamation of the best coastal cuisine from 5 of the southern states in India. The ambience of ITC Kakatiya is reminiscent of a South Indian temple. तो थोड़ा मंदिर का फील तो आ ही जाता है यहाँ. The scene is complete with a live chef, Ayers Trolley बोलते हैं उसको. So that's host to a lot of uttappams, hot idlis, paniyarams, different kinds of chutneys. The grand backdrop of all of this is live Carnatic music. तो ये मंदिर का पिक्चर तो complete हो जाता है अपन लोगों के लिए. Paka. Paka is an eco-friendly, slow food restaurant oriented towards being organic, artisanal and slow. It has gluten-free and vegan options alongside non-vegetarian options. The emphasis here is on healthy living and responsible consumption. The ambience is one reminiscent of a Goan shack. The openness, nature and symmetrical perspectives the place offers. Diligent sourcing of material leaves the food tasting amazing and inexplicably satisfying. Chutneys. Chutneys is considered arguably the best breakfast joint in the city. Arguably तो लोगा बोलते हैं, लेकिन मेरे को तो लगता है कि chutneys best है. जैसा नाम सजेस्ट कर रहा, यहाँ पे चटनियाँ तो बहुत मिलते हैं डिप करने के लिए, बोर हो जाओगे चाटते. Chutneys is renowned for its powdered spices, plethora of peanut coconut chutneys. Their Friday lunch buffet is definitely not worth missing out. Rayalaseema Ruchulu. The establishment is over 15 years old and has been functioning for quite some time and is one of the go-to names whenever people are talking about authentic non-vegetarian cuisine in the city. Core team personally overlooks the purchase of material, daily food tasting so as to have a consistent taste experience across all the outlets. Telangana Spice Kitchen. Typically तेलंगाना के खाने खाते खाते तो पानी ही पीते रहते, खाना कब खाते, but वैसे भी Telangana Spice Kitchen has done great amount of justice in maintaining the authentic nature of Telangana cuisine. Stunning interiors and intimate seating arrangements. This place makes it happen for ambience and creating a dining experience. Vivaha Bhojanambu. This popular joint is frequented for its Andhra-style meats and non-veg starters. Raviraju manages daily operations of the place. Most of the recipes are from his home, taught to him by his father. There is copious amounts of Murugan ghee that is used in the preparation of the meals. They serve two unique podis. One is made with flaxseed and the other is coarse black powder called Gaddi Nool. Kodikura Chittigare. Kodikura Chittigare is a reminder of the recipes of South India that are slowly fading away with time. Rapid globalization has seriously turmoiled a lot of eateries in Hyderabad. Founded by Srikant Natani, a software professional, the interiors aren't trying to be fancy at all. There are some eye-catching handmade bullwhips and cartwheels adorning the wall. अभी आप घर पे जाके डिलीवरी का इंतजार करेंगे ऐसा वैसा, you'll not get the taste. You have to finish it at the venue. Ulavacharu. Ulavacharu is a very popular horse gram dish which is mostly consumed in the coastal regions of Andhra. The interiors of the place are pretty simple. Some of the sections have been given a feel of village shacks. Incessant amounts of ulvacharu, the famed horse gram dish of Andhra, is served on the table alongside anything that you order. तो जितना चाहिए उतना ulvacharu आप ulvacharu जाके पी सकते हैं. Chichas. Chichas is an authentic Hyderabadi dining establishment which is famed for the king of Hyderabadi food, biryani. Before the lockdown and all this coronavirus nonsense, they were delivering way into 2 a.m. Another unique aspect of theirs is their dining trays which they provide for in-car dining experience. इस सड़क का खाना तो खाने के लिए बहुत सारे चीजें सोचते हैं लोग, but Chichas does not compromise on the premium quality of ingredients used and cooking it in a hygienic environment. Shahi Dastarkhwan, a comfortable restaurant experience that doesn't compromise on the taste or authenticity of it being Hyderabadi. Its kebabs are a melt-in-your-mouth variety, and the restaurant claims to make the most authentic Hyderabadi biryani that can be made in a restaurant. Their special biryani is made of authentic and original ingredients like the illustrious saffron, for example. Saffron usage in culinary cooking in Hyderabad is not seen anymore these days. Cafe Bahar. The food joint has been serving the iconic Hyderabad biryani since 1973. It was started by a Persian settler new to the city. Cafe Bahar coincidentally is also considered the best biryani place in Hyderabad. Just a heads up on their meal quantities, it's large, so you better watch what you order. Four Seasons. It's the top reference for Lebanese and Mughalai cuisine in the city. Their procurement system is well managed. Their imports are oriented towards ensuring genuineness of their recipes. Kritunga, known for its extremely spicy and tangy variants of biryani. When we say spicy, bhai, jalne wala hai Kritunga ka biryani bole to. If one cannot handle the heat in the food, definitely avoid Kritunga bhai. Shadab Charminar. Shadab opened its doors to serving public since 1953. Mr. Babu Mia was the first person जो ईरानी चाय का ठेला चलाते थे पहले, लेकिन बाद में वर्ल्ड रनॉन हो गया, बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स आ गए, शादाब की बिरयानी ऊपर उठ गई. The family believed in creating a cozy place for having great conversations and freshly cooked meals. It serves authentic Mughalai and Indian biryani. Shag House. None will find great ambience in this thing. आप चढ़ते बराबर सोचोगे अरे भाई यहाँ पे खाने के लिए आ रहा हूँ क्या बोल के. But the biryani is amazing. The biryani and halim of Shag House have consistently won several awards. बाकी के लोगों को जलन करने वाला चीज तो है भाई ये Shag House का. The restaurant starts welcoming customers as early as 5 a.m. in the morning. Their known breakfast item is the Hyderabadi paya, which is different from the one that's popular in Delhi or UP. The use of distinctive Hyderabad potli masala lends it a rich flavor, which demarcates it from the other payas. Dialogue in the Dark. The award-winning restaurant is manned by visually impaired staff and and is an immersive experience that is educative for the visitors and transformative for the society as a whole. Why not turn off the light, darken a room, and be served by blind people in their conditions? So this is where blind and sighted people meet in inverted conditions. The completely unlit dining experience features surprise vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. Every day, a surprise menu is released. Robo Kitchen, Hyderabad's first robo-themed restaurant, which is completely manned by robots. Dim neon lights usher one into the dark and plush interiors of the Robo Kitchen. The quality of the food is mediocre, to be honest. It is more of an experience and having a happy meal than a culinary indulgence. The menu largely consists of Indian, Indo-Chinese, Thai and North Indian delicacies. Again, stressing on the fact, the food taste is passable at the most and mediocre. It is more of an experience rather than a tasting gastronomic indulgence. So the Sky Kitchen. The place is known for its scenic, panoramic and expansive design of its terrace. It's been featured in several design magazines and architecture magazines. So the Sky Kitchen is an appealing, spacey and serene experience. They have excellent kebab platters with lots of options available in vegetarian, chicken and seafood. Thank you very much viewers for sticking to the end of the video and lending us your ears. Like, share and subscribe BKBHY.